Alright guys, so to track your referrals is very simple, and basically you won't actually be able to track people who go on to sign up once you begin to promote this platform, to sign up through you. Once someone sign up through your link, you can't track that. No, we don't want to keep everything clumsy because it's going to be too clumsy for you guys. But I'm going to show you how you can do that later on in the series of videos, how to get referrals. I'm going to show you how to do that professionally. So right now, what you'll be able to only track is only those who go ahead to upgrade their accounts. Yes, those who go ahead to upgrade their accounts. Now, don't be confused. It's very simple. You can go ahead and invite people to sign up through your link, and they go ahead and sign up, and maybe you get 100 sign-ups, 1,000 sign-ups. You won't be able to track all that from our platform. No. What you're able to track is if you get 1,000 sign-ups, then those, assuming you have 50 or 100 or 200 or 500 or let's say 900 persons, or let's say all the 1,000 persons go on to upgrade their accounts, then you'll be able to track and see those people who actually went to upgrade their account. So what you need to do, just go to payments log. So once you click on payments log, you're able to track all your referrals, those that went ahead to upgrade their account. Sorry, not under payment log. I think it's under dashboard. Yeah, so it's under the dashboard area. So this dashboard area, so you'll be able to track everything right here. So this is where you'll be able to find your referrals. Your referrals that you're going to see here are those who have gone ahead to upgrade their accounts, not those who have signed up, because you can refer people and they will sign up, but then they have not yet upgraded their account. So you won't find anything there until when any of your referrals go on to upgrade their accounts. Then you now begin to see their details and everything right in this place. And imagine once you have them here, they are forever and forever your downlines and your referrals. So whatever action they make, whatever purchase they make, you are going to get the commission, assigned to you over and over again for as long as the platform remains. So that's all about that, how to track your referrals. So I'm going to see you in the next video.